We got some steak, tacos with salad, some sweet potato fries, and a chicken jalapeno burger without a bun. Good?
So fries are bomb.
Sixth place to see the stars. By the way, this is Hannah. She is another model that's going to be shooting with Weston tomorrow for their shoot.
Yes.
And we will catch you in the next clip. Welcome to Cedarburg. You are now in leopard country. How are you?
We are almost here. I'm ready to take in this beauty before sunset.
Yeah. Oh look, there's a dog.
Oh, what?
No dogs allowed.
Okay, what's up here, huh?
Upstairs.
Trip like an idiot. Wow. So who sleeps up here? Schmiegel.
Guys, we are gonna eat dinner right now at the little reception. This is literally in the middle of nowhere, and it's just like so incredibly beautiful. Dinner time. After a long day of driving. Where are we? Oh my god. This is incredible.
We forgot to do it. Yeah, for sure. It's like the horses like were there right when we came out. They're nice. How much? Oh, I'm so happy right now.
So they just brought us this little like salad and pastry thing. What's in it? Take a bite.
It's like salty. Smell. It's savory. It's like these are artichokes.
Ooh,
Like on
okay.
top, and then some kind of a bread crust edge. It's hard to explain.
Okay, so we have a lamb shank, some fries, vegetables, potatoes, and you got a vegetarian.
I got a vegetarian, but I don't know what it is, but it's nice, I guess.
Yes, I'm sure it's good.
Schnitzel, who knows?
Okay guys, it's about 6 a.m. and our battle continues. We're supposed to be awake by what, like 4:30?
Yeah, 4:45.
4:45. Like we had to be leaving our lodge by 5:45, and our phone dies in the middle of the night, and the alarm doesn't go off. Nobody's waking us up. We wake up at Weston wakes up at 5:30. 15 minutes to like. He has 15 minutes to get ready for his shoot. Shower, do his hair, pack all our stuff, and then we were like following this caravan we're driving literally in the middle of nowhere. And he's like, hurry, go ask the makeup artist who was outside of our room. He's like, go ask her what the location is so that we can go there. So I like run out there and I'm like, where's the address? She's like, oh no, like it's in the middle of nowhere, you guys should just follow us. And they're like literally leaving and we're still trying to get our shit together. Oh my god. So we're like jumping into the car. Now we're following them to the middle of nowhere, but it was like they were not concerned about us.
And this Ford little car is not cool. This terrain, we're like spinning our tires going up inclines.
Wish us luck.
See.
If this is the end of the video, Mom, I love you. I'm just kidding. How are you feeling?
Oh,
Sorry.
I don't know what I'm feeling yet. I think I'm half asleep still, but it's a little like edgy to be falling in a cloud at best. Oh, this is so not great in this car. Good morning.
Okay, Weston has 10 minutes to change into his outfit. It's cold, and he has his shoes. Look at how pretty this is. You got a floppy hat? Yes. Walking to the location. We've been like, literally got ready in 5 minutes.
Saw you glance, your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad.
So how did it go?
It was a little rocky. Womp womp. No, it was good. It's just the shoes are sizes too small. I have a rolled ankle. It's healing. I can't look at where I'm walking because if you're modeling, you need to look at the view. So just trying not to do it again, basically. And
Okay guys, first part of the shoot is over. Got some snacks. Weston is
I would have got ones that are easier to cover up.
getting his tattoo covered up. How are you doing, Hannah?
I'm very good.
You think I'd leave your side, baby? You know